why study in Cyprus? Situated at the crossroads of Africa, Asia, and Europe, Cyprus has been influenced by diverse cultures over the centuries, making it a truly multicultural destination. Dreaming of global education? Whether it's Sweden, the Netherlands, Ireland, or any of 40-plus destinations, we make it possible. Study abroad with Rich Global Edu, your gateway to 40-plus countries and 500-plus top universities. Cyprus, an island that shines all year round, offers a unique blend of golden beaches, clear waters, and lush vegetation. From cosmopolitan cities to ancient archaeological sites, the country offers everything an international student could want. Let's see the key reasons to study in Cyprus. Cyprus is known for its high-quality research and academic institutions. The country encourages creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship, fostering an environment for students to thrive. Cyprus offers diverse academic programs at an affordable cost, making it an ideal destination for international students. Cyprus doesn't use the traditional pass-fail system, but rather assesses students through research essays, testing, and group projects. The mix of cultures in Cyprus provides a unique global experience for students. With many international business companies based in Cyprus, there is a high employment rate and an abundance of internship and placement opportunities. Over 80% of the population speaks English, making it an accessible destination for international students. Do you know that Cyprus boasts 3 public universities and 9 private universities, along with more than 40 higher education institutions? International students can benefit from a post-study work visa of up to 12 months. Keen to know about the cost of studying in Cyprus? Here's a breakdown of the typical expenses for international students. Annual tuition fees, 14 lakh rupees, equivalent to 14,000 euros. Living and accommodation, 15 lakh rupees, equivalent to 15,000 euros. University application fee, 10,000 rupees, equivalent to 100 euros. Airfare, 32,000 rupees, equivalent to 320 euros.